Okay, time to assemble the walls and the roof and the front, and these pop in on the floorboards quite easily. They hold their place quite well. Doesn't hurt to turn them a little bit just so there's a little bit more play. I've put the walls on the side and now I'm going to put the roof on. The roof, you know, has got the holes at the top there for the hanging light. Just going to fit that in place and then turn it slightly, fit that in place. That's now nice and secure. What I'm going to do is now turn it like that, and making sure that these holes for the on-air light, they're going to be at the top. And turn it over and line up my little teeth and push in nice and securely. Do the same at the bottom. You can turn it around like that if you want to. If you find it easier, push into the gap like so. Then you can turn it over back to the front and you can place the front panel on. Now, I've done that on accidentally. This is slightly lower so it matches the height here. So I'm just going to pop this on. I would suggest not gluing this at the moment. It just makes life easier when you're constructing the light. And there is your finished model. We just need to add the extra pieces now, such as the lights and the furniture. But as you can see, even without the glue, it's a fairly sturdy finish.